Alright, what's going on everybody? This is Preston here. In this video, I am going to be unboxing the NFL Panini Donruss 2025 NFL trading cards. So yeah guys, there's 90 cards per box, there's 15 cards per pack, and there's 6 packs per box. So yeah guys, has 90 cards in here. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the unwrapping. So yeah, man, 90 cards in this pack, in this box, so it's gonna be fun, that's for sure, to see what cards we can get in here. I've said this times before that I like doing these videos, guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here's 6 packs total. Pretty curious to see what we can find in here. So, yeah. First, let's get started with pack number 1. By the way, guys, happy late Easter to every one of you out there. So, yeah, yesterday was Easter. So let's get started. Here's Jameson Williams, Jalen Ramsey. Oh, we got my guy, Josh Allen. Here we go. All right, awesome. Tyler Boyd. A rookie. Got a rookie card of Bashal Tutton. Sorry if I can't pronounce his name, but yeah. Here we have Emeka Mbuka. Justin Herbert. Kenneth Walker, he's now with the Chiefs. But he did help, was on that offense for Seattle. We got Antonio Gibson. Tank Dell. Oh, this is a nice one. It's a Travis Hunter rookie. Okay, wow, that's cool. I'm gonna make a separate pile for some of my favorite ones. So yeah. Then we got Marvin Harrison Jr. Zach Ertz. Geno Smith, he's back with the Jets now. And then Cameron Jordan. Alright, so pack number 1. My 2 favorites, of course, I like this Travis Hunter rookie. And of course, I'm a Josh Allen fan as well, of course. Go Bills. So, yeah, those 2 are my favorites in the first pack. Now let's get on to pack number 2. Hunter Henry. Mike Evans. I believe he's now with the 49ers now. Jeffrey Simmons. Anthony Richardson. He's no longer a starting quarterback in this league. And then we got Savion Williams, rookie. Devin Neal, rookie. Fred Warner. Demarcus Robinson. Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. Howie Long. Oh, I like this one. This is an Aaron Donald. This is an Aaron Donald card right here. All time. That looks cool. One of my favorites for that one. Then we got Tony Pollard. We got Joe Burrow here. This is a nice one. Mark Andrews. And then we got former Buffalo Bill Tremaine Edmonds. So yeah, that's pack number 2 for you. Definitely like the Aaron Donald one. That one is really cool. Now let's get down to pack number 3. Alright, we got Jamal Charles. Trent Green. Shigoism Okonoa. Sorry, again, guys. Sorry if I pronounce his name wrong. Jonathan Taylor. Then we got Gunnar Helm. Jackson Dart. I'm glad I got this. This is a Jackson Dart rookie. Really glad I got this, man. Put it over to the side. Then we got Quinn Ewers. Ty Johnson. Go Bills. Then we got Christian Kirk. Carl Eller. Zay Flowers. Andrew Van Ginkel. Victor Cruz. Zach Bond. And last but not least for this pack, Steven Jackson. Alright. So I definitely like this Jackson Dart rookie card that I have. And then also, of course, as a Buffalo Bills fan, Ty Johnson. I definitely like this one too. So that's my favorites from the third pack. Halfway through, guys, pack number 4. We got Brock Bowers. Jonathan Mingo. Devin Hester. Cole Kemet. Josh Simmons. Chris Jones. Joe Horn. Michael Penix Jr. Derwin James. Oh, I like this one. This is a Dominators Christian McCaffrey. This is a nice one. I like this one. This is going to go over in the separate pile, but this is definitely favorite card from this pack. Then we got Wan'Dale Robinson. Rashid Shaheed. Jeff Garcia. DK Metcalf. And that's it for pack number 4, guys. This Christian McCaffrey Dominators one, by far my favorite from pack number 4. Got 2 more to go. Alright, we got Devontae Smith. Dante Culpepper. Chad Johnson. George Kittle. Will Howard, rookie card. Oh man, Cam Ward. Guys, if you don't know, I'm also a Miami Hurricanes fan. Super happy I got this one, man. Let's go. Oh my goodness, really happy I got this Cam Ward one, man. Definitely by far the favorite from this pack. We can find any more good ones too. We got Blake Corum. Kirk Cousins. I believe he's with the Raiders now. Julian Love. Mike Gesicki. Oh, I like this one. This is another Travis Hunter one. Okay, this one looks nice. This one looks nice as well. Then we got John Elway. Cool. One all-time QB for the Broncos. Matthew Stafford, who just won the MVP. Daniel Carlson. And then Terry Bradshaw. All-time QB, one of the more historic QBs for the Steelers. Alright, one more pack to go. Alright, we got Mike Williams, Josh Downs, Jermone Ford, Derek Carr, Derek Harmon. No way. Minka Fitzpatrick. Nah, man, that is cool. It's a relics, I think, something like that, like a patch of his jersey. Okay, that is a hit right here. Oh my gosh. Brian Burns, Zach Moss, Greg Dortch, Christian Benford. Go Bills. Oh, this is nice. This is a Jalen Hurts Super Bowl MVP card. Okay, that's cool right there. Romo Dunze. Doug Williams. Jake Ferguson. And then last but not least, Kyler Murray, who is now on the Minnesota Vikings. So yeah, guys, that is it for this trading cards unboxing. Here are the cards that I got that are my favorites from this box. So yeah, that Minka Fitzpatrick one definitely is cool. That Cam Ward rookie, definitely. Like the Travis Hunter ones are cool. Of course, the Josh Allen card is cool. Go Bills, of course. We got that Jackson Dart rookie. That one's one that I'm happy that I got. The Aaron Donald card looks cool. I mean, all these cards right here are my favorites, or some of them are like hits, like the Minka Fitz one. That one's really good for sure. So yeah, guys, these are all the cards that are my favorites or hits. So yeah, guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, anyways, this is Preston signing off. Peace out.